in this question, we are given this equation and we are given that it has 4 distinct real solutions, x1, x2, x3 and x4. These are the roots of this equation or zeros of this equation. And we need to find x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. Basically, we need to find the sum of roots of this equation. Okay, we need to find the sum of roots of this equation. So let's see how we can solve this question. So first of all, let's write the equation root x plus root 20 minus x is equals to 20 plus 20x minus x square. The first step will be to square both the sides so that we can remove square roots. Let's square both the sides. Now we will be using one algebraic identity which says a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. We'll be using this algebraic identity on the left side. So this turns out to be root x whole square plus root 20 minus x whole square plus 2 root x root 20 minus x is equals to, now if we square the right hand side, we will get 20 plus 20x minus x square. Let's simplify the left side. This will give us x, this will give us 20 minus x, and this will give us 2 under root x times 20 minus x. Correct? So is equals to 20 plus 20x minus x square. We can cancel out x and negative x. We can also cancel out 20 and 20 on both the sides. Now we are left with 2 under root x 20 minus x is equals to 20x minus x square. So we can square both the sides again to remove the square root. Now this time, let's see what we will get. Now if we square both the sides, on the left hand side we will get 4 and this will be x 20 minus x. Yes. So on the right hand side, we'll be using one algebraic identity, which is a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So let's use this algebraic identity, 20x whole square plus x square whole square minus 2 20x and x square. Simplifying the left hand side, we will get 80x minus 4x square. Simplifying right hand side, we will get 400x square plus x raised to power 4 minus 40x cube. Correct? Now let's bring all the terms on the same side. So we will get x raised to power 4 minus 40x cube plus 400x square plus 4x square minus 80x is equals to 0. So that means we will get x raised to power 4 minus 40x cube plus 404x square minus 80x is equals to 0. So this is the equation that we got from the question. Okay, we simplified. Now we need to find the sum of roots of this equation. I'll be first writing the general equation. General equation that can be of any degree. Yes, general equation. So the general equation is a x raised to power n, where n is the degree of the equation, plus b x raised to power n minus 1 plus c x raised to power n minus 2 and so on till z. Z is the constant term is equals to 0. Right? This is the general equation. In the general equation, the formula for sum of roots is minus b upon a. What is b? B is the coefficient of this term. Okay, b is the coefficient of this term and a is the coefficient of the highest power term in the general equation. Okay. Now if we compare the general equation with our equation, we will find that a is 1, because if nothing is written, that means it is 1. So a is 1, right? And what will be b? B is negative 40. The coefficient is negative 40. So we need to find sum of roots. Sum of roots. The formula is negative b. Negative b means negative 40 upon a. A is 1. So our final answer will be 40. Okay. So this will be our final answer. Sum of roots is 40. So this is 40.